All right, got my second order. Whoa, the box looks bigger than it did last time. All right, let's crack this bad boy open, see what's inside. All right, I got it on the kitchen counter. I'm gonna crack this open in a minute, but you two, I must have miscalculated here because look how many meals I got left. I still got a breakfast left there, 3 there, and about 4 in the back there. I was eating 4 a day, so I don't know why I have so many left over. I think I missed 1 meal one time, but guys, I have too much food. My wife's gonna have to start eating these, or I'm gonna have to start, I don't know, give them away or something, because my first batch doesn't go bad until the 21st of April, so I got some time. The good thing about Trifecta is you can pause your meal plan at any time. So, you know, depending on how this goes, I think I'm gonna pause it, or I might even down it to like 3 meals a day, you know, get rid of the breakfast meal, because the oatmeal is good, it's just I have so much food. So I might go to 3 meals a day after this week's over. But got my next package, we'll crack it open here in a minute, so let's eat first. All right, so to sum up the week, you know, it was basically just the same routine every single day. 4 meals a day, just getting out there, warming them up, putting them in the air fryer, and just eating them. As you can see in the oatmeal, I had to spice things up a little bit. So I did add a little bit of honey on that one, a little bit of cinnamon. But the routine was real simple, guys. I just ate vegan for a week and, you know, let the weight come off. And again, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel below. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like for taking this whole week of doing this and showing you guys the behind the scenes on how Trifecta works. And again, if you do want Trifecta, it is linked below. If you want to try it out and give it a shot, I really appreciate the support. By you buying Trifecta, it helps support the channel with the link below, so I really do appreciate that. And also, I did do the detox tea, as you can see. Now, guys, don't laugh at me, but I did a little workout yesterday, about 30-minute cardio. Next week, I'm going to try to work in a lot more cardio. But yesterday was the first day doing some cardio, and it felt really good. YouTube, I am shocked. I'll see how much I am when I get on the scale with my phone in my hand. The phone that heavy. I was 227, 227.6 with this phone in my hand. All right, so now as you can see, I lost 3 pounds last week. Now 3 pounds is not a lot of weight, I understand that, but you got to understand this. When it comes to weight loss, think about what I did. I ate 4 meals every single day. I was full every single day. I drank 64 ounces of tea every single day. Plus I drank all the water outside of that. So you gotta think about it. A lot of people on YouTube are like, oh, I lost 10 pounds in a week. I lost 15 pounds in a week. You can go sit in a sauna in a trash bag and lose 10 pounds of water weight very easily. Or you can go starve yourself for a week and lose weight very easily. But when you do things the healthy way, losing 3 pounds in a week is very, very good. Because actually, I spoke with a dietitian and spoke with some people who are in the fitness world. They say losing 1 to 2 pounds a week is like ideal. Because you think about that, you got to multiply it by weeks. You know, you're talking about 4 weeks, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You're talking about a lot of weight after, you continue with your weight loss goal. So for me to lose 3 pounds in 1 week by switching to a vegan lifestyle is huge, huge. Didn't starve myself, ate 4 meals a day, drank plenty of water, stayed hydrated, and did not even work out. Just like one little 30-minute workout that was like today. So for next week, we're gonna put in a lot more working out into this and see what happens. Maybe there'll be some more weight loss, maybe there won't be, we'll see. And at the end of next week, we'll also do the measurements and see if I lost any inches around the waist, the love handles, things like that. So that's it, guys. I wanted to keep this video very short and sweet. Leave a comment below if you're interested in just finding out more about how this is going. And again, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.